right, 3D, we're going to do some preparations for our paper mache sculpture, the animal sculpture I showed you the very beginning of our first class together. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose an animal today and get some information about it and start looking at our animals and stuff. And we are going to focus, our class is going to focus on endangered species, though, in particular, because we do need to be really, really aware of our environment and how we affect the world and other things living on it. So let's honor some endangered species by making a project out of them. So I'm giving you this worksheet, so you're going to want to get it out. As well, you're going to have to use your Chromebook for this, or maybe even possibly your phone, but probably your Chromebook would be better. And the instructions are on here. I'm going to go through the instructions with you right now. And you have to use this really great website from worldwildlife.org. So I'm going to, there it goes, worldwildlife.org. Okay. And under wildlife, you'll see endangered species. And you can go ahead and click that. And then you're going to get this huge list. It's like 2 pages long of all these different endangered species. You can even click into the next page, okay? And what you can do is go ahead and check them out. Check out the different endangered species that are there. Check out how they look like a little bit. You might want to also open up another tab of Google Images and just check out, that's the marine iguana. You can check out more pictures of them just to see if you like the look of the animal. So there you go. Okay. I recommend having that Google image tab opened up so you can see more pictures of them and see if you like your animal. But go ahead and check out these different what's a mountain plover? Oh, it's a birdie. How cute. I didn't even know that. It's endangered. You can check out the different animals. I do have some recommendations for you, though. I recommend doing an animal that has legs, okay? If you choose an animal where, here's an example, okay? This is a very, the blue whale is a really, really simple animal. And it's just going to be too simple. And sometimes too simple becomes too complicated to sculpt. I'd rather you have something with a little bit more meat to it. Actually, well, literally more legs to it. Same thing with some of the fish. Okay. I'd rather you steer clear of the fish unless it's a really interesting looking fish. This blue whale, I'm sorry, no offense to the blue whale. It's just not that interesting to look at. It's just a long, cylinder, so there's not much to challenge you. So try to choose something with legs if you can. I'm gonna just try to stay away from fish if you can. And I'm going to make another recommendation, which is try to stay away from the turtles unless you have this amazing, never going to end passion for turtles. We've just seen so many freaking, sorry, but sculpted turtles through the years of teaching 3D design here. And so try to choose something a little more interesting that, you didn't learn about before. So okay, so spend your time looking through the animals and choose one, and go ahead and start filling in the information. Now I'm asking you some questions. So here we go. So maybe I chose to do the vaquita, okay, and that's no, I didn't because that's too simple of an animal. Let's try the black-footed ferret. Okay, what a cutie pie, right? And I look up black-footed ferret and I check it out and I'm like, what an adorable animal. I want to draw this animal. I want to sculpt this animal. That's great. So that's your choice. And then you'll notice that if you go through this, I want to know some more information about this animal, and you should too, because these animals are important and they're endangered and we should know more about them and how to help them. So I'd like some overview information, which you can look at right here. Okay, I want to know why they matter. Look, why they matter. Why they matter matches why they matter here. Okay, I want to know about the threats. What's threatening their species? We're going to find out what World Wildlife is doing. And then the last box is for you to really check out that picture of your animal and try to draw it in proportion. So we're going to start figuring out some of the proportions of our animal just with a simple drawing. So that's what you should do for the next bit